So about, 4 or 5 months ago, I learned about this app where you can rent your land out to dog owners who have a dog and they use your space as a park. You know, I thought it was cool in the beginning, but I don't know. It was not what I thought it would be. And just people complaining about the dumbest things that you would never expect people to complain about. They did. And you think you're providing like this cool thing to people and maybe you can make an extra few bucks here and there. Nope, not for me at least. Maybe I did it wrong, but I don't know. Anyways, I put this green mesh up to keep them from getting out, keep it safe, but the horses destroyed it and this was just a bad idea. So we're gonna take down this green stuff and we're going to repurpose it somewhere else in the future. All right, we got 2 more sections to go. Anyways, never always keep your end pieces from your 2x4s. You never know when you're gonna need to roll green fencing that you used in the wrong way. Treasure. I've been looking for this glove for maybe 3 months. Actually, 2 months. Probably the last time I mowed this lawn. All right, that method worked the best. So we're gonna just pull this whole thing off and we're gonna roll it while it's on the ground. If you're curious how I put it on there, these cheap staples from a staple gun. And the staples, you know, I learned now the hard way, you know, they weren't gonna last long anyway. They were rusting. So eventually those are gonna fade away. And overall, it was just a bad idea. I don't feel like being a dog park anymore. Let's get this thing rolled. We have a special guest today, Chuko, the queen. Also have Remy, keeping me company on this cold day. Let's see how this fire is doing. This is how we keep warm. Remy, you're crazy. Let's go. Let's see how good Remy is at. Come here. Remy, come. Good girl. Uh-oh. Remy and Chuko, the face off. Remy has the zoomies. Remy likes to play tough. She can be tough. She knows better to never be tough with us, though. She's tough when she needs to be. Mainly with herself. It's never with the cats. It's never with us. It's for pretend coyotes. But one time a coyote came up to the fence and Remy was not having it. And that coyote has never been seen again. Let's get this over with so Paulina could stop telling me to do this already. What is it, Remy? Is it a coyote? Remy, go get the coyote. Go get him, Remy. Go get him.
Remy, go get the coyote. Go get it.
You ever heard of that book or movie, The Boy Who Cried Wolf? One day I'm gonna cry coyote and Remy's gonna think I'm kidding. So I better stop messing with her. What are you doing, Chuko? Let's see if I can get Chuko to come Chugo. Hey, let's go. Come on. Come on. There she is. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Uh-oh. Show off. Remy versus Chuko. You know, obviously Remy can take her. Most likely. But you never know. Chuko's fast. She's got nails. Remy knows better. Remy, don't do it. Don't do it, Remy. Now, her and Remy, I feel like they're becoming friends here because, you know, her back wouldn't be turned. I feel like she's coming. Uh-oh. Let's see what they do. Nothing. Leave a comment below if you think cats are smarter than dogs. Or do you think there is just no comparison? Two different way of thinking. Maybe they're both smart in their own way. Okay. Done with the fence wrapping project. This is what we're doing next. It's because winter's coming and I need a place to park the tractor and the Polaris. Get it out of the garage. I keep the Polaris in the garage. Just like to keep it under a roof. I think it's time. We're gonna keep the tractor here for the winter, or right here, and the Polaris here, one or the other. Let's get these pallets out of the way. Our fire's getting low. Cool little summer project I did. I built this barn door. I put a cool lock on it. Keeps things nice and safe. We got cameras all around. You just don't see them. But anyways, in case you were curious, I'll give you a quick little tour. Inside the small shop I have for now, and if you're curious, this is the hay barn, which will become mine. I just haven't had time to get to it. This is where I do some, you know, building of things. My table, my cutting station. I got my planer down there, and you know, come along. My brother-in-law gave me that. I put here, I raised it up, what is that, 8 inches? It was just ground level at first, and what I did is I raised it up and I filled it with rock, flattened it out nice and leveled it, and it's our workshop now. And this is where Chugo hangs out. This little guy I got from Costco. I call this my thinking chair. So I'll come here, I'm gonna sit for a few seconds, warm up. This guy will warm me up. I mean, the fire does the same, but at least I'm out of the wind in here. One day I would like to make this an awesome hangout area, but right now, I'm gonna use it for what it is. Now, let's think. We got Chappie in the stall, Ebony chilling outside, Raven chilling outside, Sully chilling outside. This is all the firewood I gotta get through. This stuff is dried up and ready to go. How are you today? That's good.